Alright, welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to talk about the Igbo vowel harmony. Alright, but before we go into that, I want to analyze something. I have told you earlier that Igbo alphabet is about 36 in number and they are divided into two, some say three, because of Nyirudume there. Alright, we have the consonant part and the vowel part. Alright, the consonant part is known as Mboshume, while the vowel part is known as Odaume. Then the consonant part is subdivided into two. We have Mboshumenge and Mboshumempe. Mboshumenge are the ones that are single. Mboshumempe are the ones that are compounded. Like be, we, be. Alright? Then let's move into vowels. The vowel in Igbo language is a very important phenomenon. The Igbo vowel is divided into two. We have the R part and the A part. The R part is known as Odamfe, while the A part is known as Odaro. The reason we call them Odaro is that they are a bit difficult to pronounce, or you can put small energy to pronounce them. But in Odamfe, you don't have to stress yourself, you'll just pronounce them easily. Like we have A, E, O, O. You don't have to put or stress yourself. But in Odaro, you have to stress yourself a bit, like you have to put small energy. A, O, U, E. Have you seen it? That's the reason we call them Odaro and Odamfe. And there are 4. You know that Igbo vowels are 8 in number, but they are subdivided into two, which make them 4. The R part and the A part. In vowel harmony, it is required that any vowel in a word must come out from one group, either group A or group A. Alright? Either those vowels are from Odaro or they are from Odamfe. Okay. We have Aziza. We have Aki. We have Oka. Ogun. You will see that those vowels are from one part, our part, that is Odamfe. We have Eu. We have Eke. We have Egu. You cannot get much words that are against the vowel harmony unless that word is compounded. Okay, like Ushe, Nna, Ushe. You will see that it is compounded. Both of they are joined together to get Ushe and Nna. Ushe is a word itself, then Nna is also a word itself. That U and the A are from one category. That A at the end is also from one category. Alright? U and A are from Odaro, while A is from Odamfe. So thanks for watching. My name is Dumobefuna Gideon. If today is your first time, please click the subscribe button. Subscribe. Alright? Then turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will get notified. Alright? Like, comment. I love you all.